Hello friends, welcome back to my video. In the previous ones, we needed to write the code. But now, we have a code and in that there's an issue that is called a bug. We need to solve this issue and that is called as a debugging. Let's run the code and see the issue. There is a bug over here. Let's start debugging the code to resolve the bug. First, let's delete the code. So first, we move forward 2 times. Then we turn left and move forward again. Then we collect the gem. Then we move forward. Then we toggle the switch. Let's run our code and check if the bug is removed or not. Congratulations! The bug has been removed and the code is working successfully. Thank you.